Okay, so we're on Rue de Paris, Paris. I'll show you right here. Rue de Paris, Paris Street. So these streets right here are kind of named after European cities, and then those cities over there, those streets over there are named after European, Portuguese ones. So we're gonna walk down Rue de Paris, this one. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So here we are in Rue de Paris, Paris Street. Looks like they're doing some construction. So maybe what we'll try to do is take a little look at the construction before we go down the street. So let's see if we can get across here. Pedestrians, let's see what they're doing. So it looks like they're doing some piping. They're putting all these pipes in. It looks like they set a bike lane. Or no, it's the main road. It's a crosswalk. So I guess that crosswalk is a little bit different than that crosswalk. I don't know. It's interesting. The crosswalks is kind of strange. But anyways, they got this giant pipe up here. It looks like they're doing something here. So let's just check out all this on Rue de Paris Street, Paris Street. Yeah, it looks like that thing I guess that kind of lays down the cable. Oh, that's interesting. www.lanave.fr, which means that it comes from France. So that equipment right there comes from France, which is kind of funny that we're on Paris Street in Macau, Portuguese colony, previous Portuguese colony. So yeah, I guess this kind of lays down all the piping. These are all parking garages. Oh, this is all parking. It's like really narrow for cars, but it is what it is. So here's more of the piping on Rue de Paris Street, and this is our street right here. Okay, it looks like all the piping probably gets fitted in there, and it's all kind of in this spot. It's all tied up, and then you have to remove it. But that piping over there is already removed, right? So I guess they'll have it and just come right down the street. So okay, so that's what's happening here on Rue de Paris Street. And I think I saw some of this more piping. They're building some other stuff. There's lots of construction everywhere in Macau. There's some more. But previously, that street on the other side of this park, I forget the name of it, but it's has a Portuguese city name, Santarém, maybe something like that. I'm not sure, can't remember. But I think that same piping was on that street about a month ago, and I filmed it at nighttime. But now, of course, we're filming this one in the daytime. So yeah, it's kind of cool. Let's just kind of take a look a little bit. So it looks like, it's kind of interesting, because this, okay. Oh, we'll just keep on walking. So that's our Rue de Paris, and we'll just keep on walking. So that's Rue de Paris Street. Sandwich shop. Stuff like that. Butter and bread. So yeah, Rue de Paris, Paris Street. Hey, there's a plastic surgery shop right there. I usually read the Portuguese, so Surgeria Plástica. It's like a tiny little shop. Looks like it went out of business. Condemned. I don't know what it is. I don't know the situation. But when you see a plastic surgery shop with a tiny little storefront and it's shut down, it's kind of strange, right? Okay. It's a nice little shop. It says life is good. Here is good. He is good. Let me see that inside, huh? Here is good. Okay. So I think I could walk all the way down the next street too, but I think what I'm going to do is just kind of focus on this construction part. So I guess you're going to put all the piping all the way through here, Some big massive pipes over there. So okay. So that's our Paris Street. And then there is a second street that keeps going all the way down. I'm not sure if we'll do that one or not. Here's another coffee shop, Uji Mart. But there's a little bit more construction, so that's just some other stuff down there, of course. Let's see what more of this is. Okay, lots more piping coming in. So I guess it's gonna turn and go down this street and then continue on down that way. So all that would be filled with more piping, I guess. There's another one of those little spools. Okay. And I think I'll just kind of come to an end over here. But it's kind of interesting. Here's another coffee shop, Momo Cafe. Somebody's doing some work right up there. And that one right there is, I think it's Sands Casino, I think. And then Fisherman's Wharf is on the other side. And we're basically on something, it's all called reclaimed land. Which is kind of interesting. That's a nice view right there. Kind of shows you like how tall these buildings are. Because other parts of Macau it's different, right? So this one is kind of these big giant blocks with, they're kind of like this, right? There's a coffee shop right there. Let's go down a little bit further. So on this one side is Sands Casino. And then behind me it's let me see, a luxury shop. It's like this one, he's doing a little bit of work up there. Yeah, it's nice up there. Nice glass windows. Let's just see. Laundry shop. Okay, so, and behind me, way behind me is like MGM and Wynn Casino. So there's a couple nice casinos way in the back behind me, and straight ahead is Sands. Yeah, that's Wynn, way over there. This is all Paris Street. Not bad. Another coffee shop, Rethink Coffee. It's a good slogan. Hair salon, real small one. This one you have to go upstairs, I guess. There's a bubble tea. So I think that one is that one right there. So you can see all the yellow and black up at the top. We're gonna keep on going. I think that says Montessori. So it's a Montessori shop. Montessori school. So you can see this right up here too. Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking. Then we got Sands up here in a minute. There it is right up there. And now we're gonna be coming at the end of Paris Street. Nice. Rue de Paris. Paris Street. Okay, here we go.
Toma cuidado la porfidinha.